हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। ये वीडियो चालू करने से पहले मैं कुछ बातें आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ इस कोर्स के बारे में। तो देखते हैं इस कोर्स का इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट क्या है। ये कोर्स तो इस कोर्स का नाम है मास्टर ऑफ वोकेशन इन फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट। इसका ड्यूरेशन है 4 सेमेस्टर्स 2 इयर्स। ये एक पीजी कोर्स है और इसका लोकेशन है डीडीयू कौशल केंद्र राजीव गांधी कैंपस बीएचयू में। और सीट्स है 62। यहाँ पर कुछ फ़ीस का भी स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है, यूनिवर्सिटी फ़ीस, स्पेशल कोर्सेज फ़ीस, असेसमेंट फ़ीस वगैरह वगैरह। और मिनिमम एलिजिबिलिटी रिक्वायरमेंट्स, तो एलिजिबिलिटी देख लेते हैं। कैंडिडेट शॉल बी एलिजिबल फॉर एडमिशन टू एमवॉक फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट ही इफ he she has passed NSQF level 7 or BSc in life sciences or BSc agriculture or BSc BVOC BTech in food science and technology, food technology, food processing and management, food engineering, home science and nutrition, secures 50% marks in aggregate by the recognized university। तो ये इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी है। आप अगर इसमें फिट हो, अगर एग्ज़ाम देना चाहते हो, कोर्स के बारे में जानना चाहते हो तो कंटिन्यू करो। तो इसके पेपर का स्ट्रक्चर कुछ इस प्रकार है। एक कॉमन टेस्ट है, कॉमन टेस्ट होने वाली है एमवॉक की फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट और मेडिकल लैबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए। एक ही पेपर है, 120 मिनट्स ड्यूरेशन है, 360 मार्क्स है, 120 एमसीक्यूज़ है। और ये जो एमसीक्यूज़ है 120 वो 2 सेक्शंस में डिवाइडेड। सेक्शन ए covers 40% questions, that is 48 questions. These 48 questions are comes from general aptitude, mathematics, English comprehensive and general knowledge, and also includes some of the questions from those fields: food processing management and medical laboratory technology, the basic questions. And section बी जो है हमारा, वो इसमें और 2 सेक्शंस है। जो बच्चे फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट के लिए है उनके लिए एक अलग है, और जो मेडिकल लैबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी वाले हैं उनके लिए अलग है। हमने इस वीडियो में सिर्फ फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट वाला ही पार्ट कवर किया है, जिसका वेटेज है 60% क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज 72 क्वेश्चंस। इन 72 क्वेश्चंस को ही हमने इस वीडियो में कवर किया है। तो 72 क्वेश्चंस जो है फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट के, वो कहाँ से पूछे हैं उन्होंने। तो यहाँ पर दिया है उन्होंने फूड साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, डेयरी, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, सीरियल्स प्रोसेसिंग, बीवरेज, फूड प्रोसेसिंग एंड प्रिजर्वेशन, फूड सेफ्टी एंड क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, फूड न्यूट्रिशन, हेल्थ hygiene, food packaging, confectionery, meat and meat products, food chemistry, food microbiology, food biotechnology। तो ये जो टॉपिक्स दिए हैं, इन्हीं टॉपिक में से उन्होंने वो 72 क्वेश्चंस पूछे हुए हैं। उन्हीं 72 क्वेश्चंस को हमने इस वीडियो में कवर किया है। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। BHU PG Entrance MVOC Food Processing and Management Solved Question Paper 2019। Question number first, mixing of different parameter is called as option 4 hurdle technology। Question number 2, richest source of vitamin C is option first Barbados cherry। Question number 3, fishes are preserved by option number 2 all of these 3, means canning, drying and salting। Question number 4, which of the following is a low acid food? Option 3 P। Question number 5, permissible limit of SO2 in squash is option first 350 ppm। Question number 6, anti nutritional factor in egg is Option 3 avidin. Question number 7. Wheat bran contain approximately dash dash percent protein. There is option number 3 24.3%. Question number 8. Optimum pH value for jellies is option 4 3.2. Anti-caking agents are option 4 those used to maintain the free flowing nature of granular or powdered products. Question number 10. The most common and least expensive plastic film used for packaging of solid food material is option 4 polyethylene. Question number 11. Wheat bran contains approximately how much percent protein? Option 2 24.3%. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में भी. Question number 12. The optimum temperature for soaking rice during a parboiling according to CFTRI process is option first 65 to 70 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 hours. Question number 13. Ropiness of bread may be due to option first Bacillus subtilis and Bacillus licheniformis. 14. The shelf life of egg is made from the shell of the egg is made from option first calcium carbonate. Question number 15. Glazing of fish is done to protect fish from option 4 oxidation and freeze burn. Question number 16. Zen is a type of protein. Option 2 prolamine. 17. After homogenization, the size of fat globule should be option 3 2 micron. Question number 18. Double toned milk contains option 3 0.5% fat and 9% SNF. 19. The cryogenic freezing, which of the following is used? Option 3 glycol. 20. Saponins are found in option first soybean. 21. The preservation technique using radiation is also known as option first dry sterilization. Question number 22. Pulses are deficient in which amino acid? Option 2 methionine. Question number 23. Acetaldehyde is a major flavoring compound in option first yogurt. Question number 24. Hard to cook defect is found in option 2 pulses. Question number 25. Goat meat is called as option 3 chivon. Question number 26. Pulses are rich in which amino acid? Option 4 lysine. 27. Toxin prussic acid is found in option 4 almonds. 28. Anthocyanins are dash dash soluble. Anthocyanins are water solubles. Question number 29. RDA for calcium is RDA means recommended dietary allowances. There is option number 4 800 mg. 13. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid. 31. FSSAI works under which ministry? There is option number 2 Ministry of Law, but this is wrong. The correct answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 32. Cereals which is rich in calcium. There is option 2 ragi. 33. Bakery products are commonly packed in option 4 LDP pouches, means low density polythene pouches. 34. Gelatin is made from collagen. 35. Flavoring compounds in butter is option 2 diacetyl. 36. Obesity is measured by first BMI, basal metabolic index. 37. Which of the following components display antimicrobial activity in milk? There is option 3 lactoferrin. 38. Microorganisms that can survive in a high salt solution are called as halophilic. 39. Aflatoxin is obtained from option 4 molds. The most widely used coagulant for removing suspended impurities from water is option 4 first alum. 41. Microbes which easily grow in chilled meat are option 4 saccharophilic. 42. The AW water activity of most of the fresh fruits and vegetables is in range of option 2 0.98 to 1.0. 43. Game meat is obtained from wild animals. 44. Inhibition of sprouting of onion can be done by malic hydrazide. 45. Which of the following microorganisms is used in preparation of bread? This is option 2 Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 46. Which of the following is used in Maillard reaction? Option 2 reducing sugar. 47. High pectin content in jam causes 2 premature setting. The maximum inlet temperature of spray dryer is option 2 200 degrees Celsius. 9. Hesperidin is found in option first orange. Question 50. Scalping is also known as dust removing or dust removal. 51. Which of the following is distilled wine? Option 3 brandy. 52. Minimum percent of total soluble solid in orange nectar is 50%. 53. Which of the following has a maximum biological value? Option 3 egg. 54. Maximum percent of oil is found in coconut. 55. Black pepper is adulterated with option 4 papaya seeds. 56. Natural enzymes present in fruit that hydrolyze pectin is pectin methyl esterase. 57. Marbling is defined as option first intramuscular fat which can be visibly detected when the muscle surface is cut. Question number 58. Which of the following reagent is used for test of peroxidase enzyme in blanched vegetable? There is option first guaiacol. 59. Green color of whey is due to riboflavin. 60. Statiose is a tetrasaccharide. 61. Heat resistant mold present in canned fruit is option 4 Basoclamis fulva. 62. TSS of fruit squash is 40%. 63. Flavor enhancer used in food industry is MSG means monosodium glutamate. 64. Radiaportization means option 2 radiation sterilization. 65. Miso is prepared by option first soya. 66. Actin is present in meat. 67. Carbon dioxide in carbonated vegetables act as option 2 all of these three in sparkling agent, preservative, enhancement of flavor. 68. Chief muscle pigment in meat is option 3 myoglobin. 69. Ultra rice is option first this is vitamin A fortified rice and iron fortified rice. 70. Sources of nitrogen for microorganism is option 2 protein. 71. Pineapple is a good source of hydrolytic enzyme. Ultrafiltration is used in milk process for removal of pectin.